Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a skit on Life of a Paper Squishy Scammer Part 2 because I really had fun making the Part 1, so I decided why not go for Part 2. And also I won't be making videos for a long time because my exams are gonna come. Got to study, and this time I'm gonna get good marks. I'll try my best to get good marks. So yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another episode because I got an order. I don't know if Janessa enjoyed your order last time, but I don't care. This is my house. This is my wish. I sell what I want to sell because I'm a squishy scammer. Okay. So yeah, let's see for whom is this order. So this order is for Selena Kawaii Time. I only like kawaii, nothing else. I can't help it. I'm not good. I like myself, no one else. But first of all, do you remember my Instagram name? My Instagram account? Say it or read it. Yes, it's Squishy Squishies. You guys are smart, but not as smart as me because I came up with the name. So yeah, let's check for what she has ordered. A jumbo penguin. Like, what is there in this jumbo penguin that everyone is like, jumbo penguin, jumbo penguin, jumbo penguin? Sushi roll. Now, what the heck is that? Oh, I was the one who put it up. It was me who put it up. Pepper Zoo 2. Like, 2. Seriously, 2. Let's see. A cotton candy, jumbo cotton candy, and a giant peach. So, let's see if I have it. So, the jumbo penguin. Ooh, guess I have it. It's not, it's torn, but I'm sure she can fix it. Now, let's see whether I have the sushi roll or not. So, I don't have a sushi roll, but I do have this. I don't know what is this. I just made this for fun, and now it's gonna come in hand. It's like miracle. This is the October miracle, autumn miracle, not Christmas miracle. It's not Christmas. So I have my penguin that is torn, my sushi roll, and now we need Pepetsu. I'm sure I have one. The giant. It is amazing. So one. I don't have the other one. I don't think, but I do have this unicorn version that I don't want to give anyone. But I can make it again. So this two, she won't find a difference. It almost looks same. Check. Now giant cotton candy. I don't have a giant cotton candy, but I do have this one. It's a cotton candy. She'll not find a difference. And the next one is a giant peach. A peach. I don't know why it's peach and penguin and this llamas are so popular. Yes, I have a peach. Oopsie. I tore it. So yeah, let's pack it for her. I'm gonna be packaging it here, so yeah. Who wants to waste the box, right? Who's gonna enjoy it? So yeah, I packaged it for her hair. Let's see how much did it come out in total. Not a bad sale, but worse than last time's. 167.39 cents. $167.39. But at least for this much. Hope you enjoy your order. I wonder what Janessa did with that slime. Ooh, let me give her this extra hand. Like she can use it for playing slime. Extra. My sushi. Yeah, let's give it her. Hey guys, my name is Hey guys, welcome back to Selena's Kawaii Time. I gotta stop because my grandmother's looking at me. Today I'm very excited because I received a package from Squishies. They have amazing squishies. I think so because they're new, and I really wanted to support the channel. And yeah, I got a haircut. So. And also, I am so excited because I received a lot of squishes from them because they had amazing prices. I'll give the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. They are amazing. So here is the package. It's kind of cute. So I'm really excited but it looks small. But I am really excited. $167.39. That's cheap. So I think this is my pet zoo. They're completely different from each other. I have no problem, but these are not squishy. They are just pieces of paper. What? $39.39 for each of this. Really? This penguin, it's torn. It's not even scented. Expect good. Expect good. I suppose this is my sushi roll. Can't you see at my face, my hairstyle? I eat sushis a lot. I think this is my peach. This is also turned. Squishies, I trusted in you because you had a new Instagram account and you said that your squishies were really nice and they got 5-star reviews from everybody. Because I'm gonna give you only one. Okay? Only one. Not even one. You're not even worth it. I think this is my cotton candy. I was expecting it to be scented because they were scented. It's cute, but it's paper. And look at the way they taped it. It's not even nicely taped. What is this? Broken hands of dolls. You want me to squish it? Because nobody's gonna squish this. I am so disappointed. I did not expect this. I want my money back. I got schemes. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I know this video was long. I'm so sorry, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye.